Last thing we're going to cover is video sharing and streaming platforms. So these are web-based platforms that allow users to upload, watch, and share videos or live streams over the internet. Some of these you're really familiar with. Definitely YouTube, right? Because that's what I use to share content with y'all. There's also Twitch, TikTok, and Netflix is and Hulu are technically also streaming platforms, right? But this is for commercial content, so it doesn't allow for user publishing. Um, we're just gonna cover YouTube because that's what I use. I want to give you guys all the same skill sets that I use for this class, so that you can do everything that I do right on your own. So YouTube, it is a video sharing platform that lets users upload, watch, and share videos online. Launched in '05 and then acquired by Google in '06. It does have billions of users across the globe, so it's definitely the number one video sharing platform. Used for entertainment, education, marketing, tutorials, and vlogging. And most importantly, it allows you as a user to upload videos, stream live if you'd like to, comment, like, subscribe, and create channels. So let's jump into the demo. So I'll show you how to upload a video to YouTube, add a title, description, choose your thumbnail, set the visibility of the video if you want it public or private, and then of course publish a video and share a link. So to do that right, we just navigate to the YouTube website. So I'm gonna go to YouTube. Here, I'm already logged in to my Google account. And notice this account doesn't have a channel. So I'm gonna hit create a channel. And I'm gonna name it test channel. And we're just gonna go create channel. Now that I've created a channel, now I'm able to upload videos to my channel, right? This is like my publishing studio here. So I'm gonna hit create, and then I can just drag and drop files here. I can hit select files, and then we're gonna upload one of these. So I'm gonna go to my videos, and then let's click on one of these. So we'll hit open. And then it's gonna keep the name of the file. I'm gonna give it a better name, right? Tutorial, or I'll put screen recording tutorial. You can do a thumbnail, so you can select one. Uh, looks like I have to verify my account before I do that. So make sure you verify in order to do that. It's gonna use just a default thumbnail there, but you can also upload one. I'm gonna go with the auto-generated one. I usually do. You can add it to a playlist. So playlist, right, is a sequence of videos that you want to play together. I don't have one, but I can create one. So I'm gonna do new playlist. I'm gonna say, CIS 101 week, I don't know, let's say 12. And then we're gonna say, so description, I could add a description. I can make it public or private. I'll hit create and then done. So this is for legal reasons. You have to say if it's for kids or not for kids. For the most part, it's gonna be no. That doesn't mean it's like mature content. It just means it's not um, targeted towards children. This is of course a college, tutorial. So I'm gonna put no there. You have the ability to add subtitles, right? You can add them manually. You can add cards, so that's gonna be like links. You can add an end screen as well. I never really use those. I go with the automatically generated subtitles. As long as your video is short enough, it should generate subtitles on its own. These are the checks to make sure that you don't have any audio that's copyrighted. So you can't use, copyrighted music or copyrighted videos as part of yours. Otherwise, it'll flag it and you won't be able to publish it. And then here under visibility, public is definitely the one you want to go if you want to share with people all over the internet. Private if you just want to share to individual people. Unlisted if you're the only one that wants to watch the video, or if you want to share with particular people. Similar to private, but you can kind of just share the link to your own discretion. For the most part, I go with public, and then I hit publish, and that'll make the video available. So we'll hit publish. We'll close. And then if I wanted to share the video, I can hit this more options, get shareable link. It copied the link, so when I paste that link anywhere or share with other people, it'll take me to the video. Now, of course, I don't actually want this video to be published, so I'm gonna do delete forever. I understand and hit delete forever. So yeah, YouTube, it's a really great option for sharing videos publicly, privately. I use it a lot, right? Because obviously I'm sharing with a lot of students. But for your final project, if you don't want the trouble of, file types or using Google Drive or other cloud drives, or, putting a giant file, right, as your submission and maybe that file getting corrupted. If you want to avoid all that, you can always upload it to YouTube, watch it just to make sure that the video works fine. And then all you have to do is share the link with me. So definitely a great option. You could also do that with Google Drive, right? That's another option. But YouTube, great option for sharing videos and publishing them for the broader online viewership. So that's it for this lesson. If you have any questions, right, feel free to reach out. But yeah, all these skills that we covered today will be extremely useful for that final project.